Susan asks, is there an easy way to tell the difference between a Viton and an NBR O-ring? Good question, Susan. This is basically just a modern day drop test. And how it works is, there's a little weight that sits in here that locks in at the top. The face of this goes on to the O-ring that you're trying to determine the material. There's several lines that this will bounce to depending on what the material is. Let's go ahead and use it. First, we're going to test this on an NBR O-ring. We lock the weight in place at the top, put the face of it down on the O-ring, and here's our NBR line. Next, we're going to test this on a Viton O-ring, FKM 75. Here's the line for that. Lock it in place, put the face down on the O-ring, and there you have it, an easy way to tell the difference between Viton and NBR O-rings.